Imagine having the power of ChatGPT combined with Siri on your iPhone. Yes, it's possible, and we're about to show you how. First, let's talk about the requirements. You need the ChatGPT app from the App Store. Download it and keep watching. Next, you need to create a custom shortcut. This will allow Siri to start a new conversation with ChatGPT instantly. Sign in or sign up for a ChatGPT account. The free plan works just fine, so no need to go premium. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Rename it to something like Smarter Siri. Add an action by typing ChatGPT in the search bar. Choose Start Voice Conversations with ChatGPT and tap Done. Now you can invoke this shortcut by saying, "Hey Siri," followed by the shortcut's name. It's that simple. If you don't want to create the shortcut yourself, use the provided iCloud link to get it instantly. Remember, the shortcut might take a little time to connect due to server load. Be patient and try again if it doesn't work immediately. Enjoy your new Smarter Siri. For more cool things you can do with ChatGPT, stay tuned. Smarter Siri, smarter you!